Just reinstall the Windows? Imagine having all your essential apps ready in seconds from a single USB. Meet the Essential Windows Installer, a simple, powerful command line tool you can carry in your pocket. This project is a custom USB toolkit that lets you install everything you need, from Chrome to Visual C++ Redistributables, using a clean menu-driven interface. All you have to do is plug it in, open the installer.bat file, and pick what you want to install. It works offline, it uses silent installers, and runs directly on any fresh Windows setup. Here's what's inside the drive. We have browsers, Chrome and Firefox, utilities, 7-zip, VLC, and Notepad++. In security, we have Malwarebytes. For runtimes, we have the .NET and the Visual C++. For Office, we have LibreOffice, and drivers, the Snappy driver installer. The best part? It's completely open source. You can download it, customize it, or even contribute. You can add your favorite apps, improve the script, or fork it for your own team or IT department. All of the stuff will be linked below in the GitHub. To get started, just visit the GitHub repo in the description below, download the zip, extract it to a USB drive, and you're ready to go. So why did I build this? Honestly, I was tired of doing the same setup over and over every time I installed Windows. You open Edge, download Chrome, install 7-zip, WinRAR, drivers, runtimes. It was honestly the same routine every time. And if I didn't have the internet, just forget it. I wanted a tool that was fast, offline, and flexible, so I created this USB-based installer that gives me full control. I just plug it in, pick what I want, and go. It's also great to help friends rebuild PCs or set up machines without bloatware. And because it's open source, anyone can tweak it to fit their needs. I have linked it down below. Please feel free to drop comments and updates on what you would like added. I will be making a Discord soon and have this as a separate page so everyone can contribute. If you're tired of setting up every new Windows PC from scratch, this tool is a must-have. Hit the like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more practical tech tools like this one.